Which pizza chain in Cambodia makes the best pizza? We're about to find out. Hi, Eric and Saimai here. If you are in Phnom Penh, Cambodia, then you know that pizza is quite expensive. And so if you're going to spend all that money, you're probably going to want to buy the pizza that is the best. We have gone and bought pizza from 7 different bigger chains here in Phnom Penh, Cambodia, and we're going to try them all and rate them according to our personal opinions on a tier list of S, A, B, C, D, or F being the worst possible pizza and S being the most amazing God tier pizza available. And as far as pizza eating, I am a professional American pizza eating machine, and Saimai is an amateur pizza eater. And so you're going to get 2 different opinions, one from an American and one from one from Thailand. Okay, so we're going to try these out here and let's get this show on the road. So here we have our 7 different pizzas. We're just going to go through them one at a time and evaluate their texture and their taste and how much it seems like actual pizza, at least like we'd get in the West. So we're just going to try them probably from the top down. Why don't we just move all these over? Okay, and we can start with Domino's. Domino's.
Domino.
It comes with 2 little ketchup packets. So ketchup packets, very popular.
So little.
Saimai says that there's not enough ketchup packets. There's only 1 chili sauce.
1 chili, 1 tomato.
Yes, and so she's sad because in Asia you put ketchup and chili sauce on your pizza. Anyway, here's our pizza. Let's just take a look at it. Okay.
Oh, little cute.
It is little one. Well, Saimai, let's go grab one. All pizzas, by the way, are pepperoni pizzas. So we want to control that factor, you know, just so we can, you know, make a better comparison of what's good and what's not good. So I guess I'll grab a piece of pizza and here you go. And 1, 2, 3, cheers.
Cheers.
Boop. Maybe one more bite. The crust is about the right thickness for like a pan crust pizza. And the pepperonis are good. The quality seems good on the pepperonis, but there's really not quite enough sauce on here. And so it's a bit low on the flavor. The cheese seems to be fine and the crust is crunchy on the outside, soft on the inside. I don't know, what do you think? Do you like it or?
I think too dry.
It's a little too dry. Okay. I think that I'm going to place this it's not a bad pizza. I'll say a B tier. What do you think, Saimai?
D.
A D tier? Okay.
Yeah, I think it's too dry and it's not so much sauce. I like a lot of sauce.
Oh, okay. Well, then I think we'll just average them out. If I'm saying a B and you're saying a D, we'll say C tier, which is still not a bad pizza. But it could be better. I do want to point out that it used to be that Domino's was extremely bad F-tier pizza in America, and then they really turned up their game and made their pizza a bit better. Okay.
Yeah. Which one next?
Pizza Hut.
Pizza Hut, my favorite one.
Right. So we actually do eat Pizza Hut from time to time.
But this time it's not the same kind.
No.
I like.
Saimai likes the seafood pizza with the Thousand Island orange dressing on it, but hey, each to their own, I guess. In America, we wouldn't call this a small pizza, which is what they called it. They called it a pan pizza in America. And the reason we ordered the smallest size is because Pizza Hut is the most expensive pizza that I believe you can order at any chain anywhere in Cambodia. So we just went for the small one, and hopefully it'll taste the same as some of the large ones that we've had in the past. Okay. This one looks a lot more moist. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Smells good.
I like this one.
That's quite good. That's quite good.
This one more tasty.
Yeah, there's way more sauce on it and more cheese. And for the small size pizzas, the little pepperonis are really quite helpful. Yum. And that crust is nice and crunchy.
Yeah,
Good
yummy.
stuff. Good stuff. And this came with this little bit of pizza dipping sauce so that you can put your crust in there and dip it. And that's something that you do quite often in America is you dip the crusts in. So this is an American chain and it tastes like how I remember the American pizza tastes. I'm going to rate this as an A tier pizza here in Cambodia. What do you think, Saimai?
I think I give B.
An A and a B. Okay. Well, so now that we are in disagreement, I'm not sure how we're going to rate this. A or B? A or B? Let's round up to an A on this one. We'll call it a low A tier. Okay. Next, why don't we get another American chain, which is Papa John's. Papa John's came with its famous garlic dipping sauce. This is a huge plus. It's good stuff. Little packet of red peppers. And then we got, being Southeast Asia, we have also received 2 tomato ketchup packets and 1 chili sauce for your money. Let's just open this up, see what it looks like. There we go.
Wow.
Here's your Papa John's pizza. For some reason, there seems to be a real inconsistent number of pepperonis right there on the rest. But, I mean, otherwise it looks good at a glance. Typical to Papa John's in America, it comes with the jalapeno pepper. Cheers.
Yummy.
This one's got a thinner main crust here, but a thicker back crust, I guess you would call it. I also think it's a little bit low on the sauce for my taste. I like it more than Domino's. I can't say I like it quite as much as Pizza Hut. Again, it's not a terrible pizza, but I think it's a big mistake to not put enough sauce on a pizza, because then you just more taste like the bread and the toppings only. But it's not too bad. What do you think? What's your opinion on, like, what do you like or don't like about it?
This one, pizza, Papa John. I think I like it, but the best one for me right now, I still like Pizza Hut.
Okay, well, I'm going to rate this a B tier.
Me too.
Oh, good. Yay, agreement. Agreement. Okay, then, B tier it is. Interestingly, it doesn't taste the same as American Papa John's, in my opinion. I'm going to just give the garlic sauce a try.
Can I try?
Yeah, sure. Tastes the same, though. But you don't get as much, I've noticed. All right, I would like to try Yellow Cab next because
I never eat this brand
we have
before.
never had Yellow Cab before. We've seen it around a couple of times, but we have never gotten a chance to try it. Again,
New York, they say.
oh yeah, I guess that means it's like a New York style pizza, and I haven't even looked in this box yet. But a New York style pizza should be thin and floppy. You remember when we were in Manhattan?
Yeah, yummy.
Yeah, it was yummy. We also have a little chili and salt packet on the
Nice.
back. Yeah. So,
Okay.
all right. Let's see. What does a Yellow Cab pizza look or taste like? I have no idea.
You need a help.
Sure. Can you open it? It's child-proof.
Easy.
Oh, easy, is it? Okay.
Yes.
It's an interesting looking pizza. And there it is. That's your Yellow Cab pepperoni pizza. Well, I mean, it looks, to be honest, a little bit greasy on top, but that doesn't mean it's not good. I'm just describing how it looks like. Let's try a Yellow Cab pizza.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Taste the same Papa John.
You think? I think it's sweet. Well, at least it's got some flavor. The flavor of the pepperonis really stands out. The pepperonis are actually really good on this pizza. And there's enough sauce that there's some flavor. It's not greasy like I thought it would be, but the sauce is a little too sweet. Like there's too much sugar in the sauce for my taste.
Really?
You like it?
I think it tastes sour like garlic.
Well, I would give it a C tier. What would you give it,
I
Saimai?
think B.
B tier?
I taste like it's the same one we just eat.
Well, since last time we disagreed, we went with mine. We're going to go with yours, and we are going to give Yellow Cab Pizza, which is not a bad pizza, a B. We're going to move it right up there with Papa John's. So we're saying equal with Papa John's.
Next one is pizza 4P. My favorite one. Cannot wait to eat this one.
This next one is Pizza for Peas, and I'm not going to lie, we're a little bit biased. We go to Pizza for Peas quite often, but we always order their fancy pizzas.
Yeah.
Like their salmon miso pizza or their 4 and 5 cheese pizzas, and they're quite good, but we have never had a pepperoni pizza from them, and so I'm going to approach this as if I have never had Pizza for Peas before, because I've never had a simple, good old-fashioned pepperoni pizza from them before. Again, got those chili sauce and tomato sauce packets.
Special sauce.
What is this?
Chili.
Chili sauce, says Saimai, because she would know. She's the chili queen. Okay.
Chili queen.
And there's...
Wow, already look nice.
Wow, holy
Look
cow.
fancy already.
Now, that's a fancy looking pepperoni pizza. Like the pepperonis look like they're actual handmade sausages almost. It looks a lot more like what I saw when I was in Italy. In Rome, they had pizzas that look an awful lot like this. Wow, and there's more than one kind of pepperoni on there. That's incredible.
Yeah.
They had this pizza ready in just 10 minutes, very fast. Okay, well, I'm excited. Let's give this a try. It's
Me
the
too.
best looking pizza so far. So this pizza's a little bit thin and a little bit soft. Not greasy at all. Looks good though. Let's give it a
Cheers.
try. Cheers.
Oh,
That is amazing. It's the freshest meat for sure that we've had. It tastes like it came from somewhere locally, which knowing Pizza for Peas, it may well have done that. Let's just give it a try though, here with the cheese. The tomato sauce that's on there, it's not too sweet, and there's not too much or too little, it's just right. I mean, the only thing going against it is maybe the crust here is a little bit too soft. But, I mean, I like New York style pizza, which is soft crust. But this is more like an Italian style pizza. The tomato sauce actually tastes like tomato sauce. I'm going to rate this as, so far, the best pizza. It's an S tier pizza. It was so good. This is a very good pizza. What do you think?
I agree. Yeah.
You agree, S tier?
Yeah.
Wow, so good. And if we have any room left in our stomachs, we'll probably be eating this unless one of these other two pizzas are better. These other two are pizzas we don't eat often or haven't eaten in Cambodia. Pizza Company.
We don't eat so long ago.
Pizza Company is a chain that we're extremely familiar with, but we haven't really eaten really much of any of it since we moved to Cambodia. But this is a Thai pizza chain, and you know, Saimai is Thai, and so this is probably the pizza chain that you ate the most in Thailand. Is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's made its way into Cambodia, and it's been a while, and I just don't really remember. But let's
Okay.
just give it a try.
They give a lot of tomato sauce.
Yeah, it comes with all the tomato sauce and the pepper and all that.
Yeah.
Oh boy, it looks thick. This is a pepperoni pizza from the Pizza Company. Well, I'm just gonna grab one slice. That's a big one. I'll grab that slice. Lots of cheese on this pizza,
Yeah.
like a lot of cheese.
Cheers.
Cheers. Down the hatch. I gotta say.
Very different from the last one we taste.
It's very different. Well, I guess my problem with this pizza is how bready it is. So if you look at the side profile, it's like eating almost like a muffin of bread with some cheese and a little bit of sauce and some tomato on top. And the flavors that they put in are fine, and the ingredients, the quality seems to be fine. There's just so much bread, Saimai.
Yeah, too much bread.
It's like eating bread with a little bit of pizza on top, and
I feel like it's heavy.
not heavy. Like, I guess the good news is if you're trying to get the pizza that'll feed the most people, this will, because it's just a huge amount of bread calories, huge number of carbs. This pizza was not to my taste, I have to say. Saimai, what tier would you give this pizza?
I think D.
Unfortunately, I would also have to agree that this is a D tier pizza. I think this could be actually quite a good pizza if they would just reduce the thickness of the crust by half, because it's just too doughy as it is now.
The last one is pasta corner. We never eat this before, right?
No, and
Cambodia brand, right?
yeah, it's a Cambodian brand, and I'm actually really interested to try this. I have never tried it before.
Are you ready? Last one.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
All right. Here we are.
Pasta corner.
This is a pasta corner pepperoni pizza. Well, it does look a little bit thin. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean it's a bad pizza, but let's just see here. Because, I mean, the pizza for peas was thin and it was quite good. So, cheers.
Sweet.
Yeah, it's very sweet. The pepperoni is good. The cheese is good. And the thickness is not a problem. It's just too sweet for my taste. And, you know, I'm a guy who loves sugar, but I feel like your pizza sauce shouldn't be too sweet. What do you think?
Actually, I like it.
Well, you like it.
Yeah.
Oh, hey. You know, if the American doesn't like it that much, it's really not a big deal. After all, we're not in America. We are in Southeast Asia. And Saimai happens to be Southeast Asian. So you like it.
Yeah.
Excellent. And so how would you rate it if it was up to you?
I think B.
A B. Saimai says B tier and I say C tier. And since we moved up to mine once and up to hers once, for the third one, I think we should play some paper, rock, scissors to decide if this is a B tier or a C tier pizza. So do you know how to play paper, rock, scissors? Oh.
Oh, I know.
Oh, okay. Awesome.
How
All
many
right.
times we have to do?
One time win. You're just going to go 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
3.
No. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
I win.
Ah, it's a tier B pizza. We have now moved pasta corner to tier B. Well, that was our ranking of the 7 different chains of pizza in Phnom Penh, Cambodia. All of them can be good. I do think Pizza for Peas was, in our opinion, the best one. There is a location of Pizza for Peas on Riverside and also in BKK1, and they're both great, and the service is great. And even their pepperoni pizzas are like a deluxe pizza. So we really enjoyed this little challenge, this little video, because it was so yummy and fun to do. But if you like this video, please come back, watch more videos, subscribe, like, and comment. And we do reply to our comments. So thank you very much. See you again later.
Bye-bye.